In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV and access HGTV. If you're a fan of both sports and home improvement shows, this guide will help you enjoy the best of both worlds. Let's get started. To watch live football and access HGTV, start by subscribing to YouTube TV at tv.youtube.com. YouTube TV includes HGTV in its base package, along with sports networks like ESPN, Fox, CBS, and NBC, which broadcast live football games. Once your subscription is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Log in and browse the channel lineup to find live football games or switch to HGTV for your favorite home renovation shows. You can also use the cloud DVR feature to record games or HGTV shows for later viewing. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football and access HGTV on YouTube TV, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.